स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 12th क्लास बिजनेस स्टडीज़ के प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने स्टाफिंग के मतलब बात की और आज मेरा टॉपिक है कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ स्टाफिंग। देयर आर 3 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ स्टाफिंग: रिक्रूटमेंट, सिलेक्शन, ट्रेनिंग। आज हम रिक्रूटमेंट के मतलब जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। दरअसल कंपनी में बिजनेस फर्म्स में मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की एम्प्लॉई की खाली जगहों को पूरा करने के लिए भर्ती के लिए पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट्स या कैपेबल कैंडिडेट्स को रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस में चुन लेना और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स को भर्ती करने की गरज से इनवाइट करना, इन्फॉर्म करना, ताकि सबसे बेहतर कैंडिडेट का इंतखाब हो सके। हमारे पास रिक्रूटमेंट करने के 2 सोर्सेज हैं, इंटरनल सोर्स और एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट। इंटरनल सोर्सेज में ट्रांसफ़र, प्रमोशन और एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट में डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट, कैजुअल कॉलर, मीडिया एडवर्टीजमेंट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज, प्लेसमेंट एजेंसीज, कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट, वेब पब्लिशिंग। हम एक एक करके इन्हीं की मतलब जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। ट्रांसफर्स refers to shifting of an employee from one job to another, from one department to another department without any change in the responsibilities or position of an employee. It is an important source of fulfilling the vacancy in an organization. By shifting an employee from one department, it is referred to as horizontal movement of employee. And second source of internal recruitment is promotion. Promotion is the process of shifting a person from a lower job position to a higher job position. It includes higher responsibilities, more facilities, better status and pay. It is referred to as a vertical shifting of employees. It has a psychological impact on the employees and helps in improving their motivation, loyalty and satisfaction. From external source of recruitment, first of all we have direct recruitment. Direct recruitment, under this method a notice is displayed on the notice board of an employee and details regarding the job vacancies. The candidates gather outside the premises of the organization on the date specified on the notice, and the on-spot selection is done. This type of method is generally used for fulfilling casual vacancies of unskilled or semi-skilled jobs when there is a rush of work and when some permanent employees are absent. It is the cheapest method because it does not involve any cost of even advertisement. This is also known as recruitment at factory gate. The second external source of recruitment is casual caller. Business enterprises maintain a record of uncalled applicants in their offices. Such candidates can be called for fulfilling the vacancies as they arise. The source of recruiting saves a lot of cost as compared to other sources. And third one, we have media advertisement. Under this, the advertisement in newspapers, business magazines, and journal is a very common source for fulfilling the senior positions in an organization. The most important advantage of these sources is that complete information about the job and the organization can be given in the advertisement. Moreover, it provides a wide range of candidates. It is a very popular way of external recruitment. Now we have employment exchanges. Employment exchange acts as a good source for recruiting skilled and semi-skilled workers. These are run by the government and acts as a link between the job seekers and employers. Employment exchanges register the details of job seekers. The organizations requiring candidates get the details from the employment exchange and recruit the employees. It is an economical source of recruitment, though it is suitable for unskilled and skilled operative jobs. It is not suitable for highly skilled personnel. Placement agencies. This source consists of private agencies and professional bodies. They play an important role in recruiting the candidates for technical and professional area. These agencies keep biodata of a large number of candidates and provide a nationwide service of recommending suitable names to their clients. They charge the requisite fee for their services. Campus recruitment. Recruitment through educational institutions is known as campus recruitment. Business organizations maintain links with educational institutions for recruiting technical, professional, and managerial personnel for various jobs. Nowadays, most of the institutions have their own employment and guidance bureau with the aim of providing employment to their students. Web publishing. Another important source of recruitment these days in the internet is web publishing. Certain websites, for example, www.naukri.com, www.jobstreet.com, www.monster.com, etc., have been specially designed for providing information to both job seekers and job providers. This is all for today. Thanks.